So hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you my dressing room with my closet and then everything on there, just something on it. So let's get started. So here we got it, and as you can see from the room on, and this is summer on, and this kind of shelter there. Let's go there. So here we got my, as you can see from the bird, when you first step onto the room, as you can see this kind of dresses and some kind of shirts on, and at the back of the door is some kind of bags, my Hello Kitty bags, my favorite bags, and there's pink bag over there, some things there, and there's a kind of, here is the whole family that says the family that stays together and stays together. This is the calendar, by the way. And here we got my sister. Hello there. So let's open the light pass. That's what you can see. Hello.
Hello.
Hello there. So here is my kind of bed. This is not a temporary bed that you can sleep on. This is a kind of one you can sit up on. So here's some kind of pillows on here, and here is a window on that you can see more some nice background on. And here is the my sister and brother's dresser, and here I got my our hats, and here we got my powder on for my makeup kit. Here my Hello Kitty makeup kit, as you can see there, and here's some kind of an outcome. And here I got on my purse and some little key on from my diary, and over there is kind of stock. So here is my brother's some, you can see, underwears, t-shirts, and here I got friends, so as you can see there, and here, and also my sister's some suits here, and all of them some clothes, and here is me. Hi there. So as you can see, my sister's having a bit. So, and here is my clothes over here. It's kind of ugly here too. My name is on there. And here is my kind of ugly clothes here. Some kind of swimsuits, and here's my charger and a certificate. My family there, and some kind of beautiful sunset. And then right over here is a fan, and here is my cell phone holder and my art materials. So many art materials, some tape on, big tape. I'm gonna tape here, and this kind of here, and here's my top PC. I charge it very much because it's very lowly battery. And here is the cell phone, showing you when you're calling on. And here's some kind of art and scraps. Here's a box of crayons that I'm gonna using for art scraps. And right over here at the bottom of my at this bed, and you can see my arts materials here, some here, and some crayons here from Singapore. And here, as you can see, my diary on, and it's slick, and there's the key that I show you later on earlier. And here's some double-sided tape, some scissors, and here's some kind of, is a kind of, would you like to open it? Open this, please. And here here I got in my crayons, and here's some fluorescent marker,
Yellow and pink.
and then I have here a marker. Oh, let's get it. And here I got then my brush here, my popsicle sticks, my pen, glitter pen, some paintbrush, and also I haven't here my lunch bucket. I put it some of my stuff, and I got a last thing here is my gift. This is given by my parents last year. Not last year, maybe this year. Because it's my graduation. Oh, but I messed up that. And this is my attachments, hair styler, some brush here, some iron. You can attach it onto. And here's the attachments of blower, a brush here, right here. And now we gotta mess up. Oh my god! Hey, there's the light. So hello there, guys. Hope you guys enjoy my dresser, and see you next video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Where are hello ugly?